Have you guys been playing the Monopoly Go game and wondering on how to add friends on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in the Monopoly Go app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Monopoly Go app just like this. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now tap on to friends at the bottom just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the invite option just right here. Now select it. Then tap on to the invite link just like this. You can simply copy the link. Now tap on to copy. And after copying it, you can simply send it to the person that you want to add as a friend. Now paste the link just right here and send it. And by opening the link, the person will get your Monopoly game ID and they will accept your friend request. And after doing that, you can simply add as a friend to that person. And that's it. This is how you can add friends in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.